Yo, what is up, everyone? My name is Dom. We're talking about unusual options activity. All right, let's get it kicked off right here with the disclaimer. All right, so this video is for educational purposes only. Statements made in this programming are solely the opinion of the show and are not a specific inducement to make an investment. One must perform their own due diligence and realize that all investments carry a risk. There's no guarantee of profit. All right, everyone. So let's kick it off right with some Micron calls here. Now this is a technology company, and in my opinion, this is a highly cyclical company. So their performance varies upon how the economy is doing, and the economy is picking up. So I think this is one technology stock that you should keep an eye on, just for that reason. All right, so you come down here, check out these April calls here. Now there was a whole bunch of buying in Micron from about the I don't even need to go to a specific time because there's so much. So as you can see here, somebody got 1,100 of these things. Look at all this buying, everyone. And some of these are all together. I think at 9:01 someone placed an order. So you can kind of just go through these and add these up for yourselves. There is a crap ton of buying, and these are not cheap. These are all the way out in April for like an $80 stock. So these were going for about $645 all the way up to, it looks like, about $705. People are buying these all throughout the day. I kept seeing people buying these. I've not bought these yet, and I'll show you the chart to show you guys why. So this right here is a relative strength index, the RSI. So whenever this thing gets red here, it's kind of signifying that the stock is overbought. And Micron, as you can see, has literally had, my cursor's kind of laggy, sorry about that. Micron has literally had a huge run, and this thing is overbought right now. So I'm waiting for this thing to dip down below this level of 70. Over 70 on the relative strength index is overbought. That's why it's red here. It's above 70. Below 30 is underbought. So, or oversold, I mean. Under 30 is oversold. So now this thing is overbought. I don't particularly like getting in stocks when they're overbought. Even if it keeps continuing on and gets more overbought, I think it's going to come down. I think I can get a better entry on this one. I've had my eye on Micron for a little while. I traded this one on the way up, and now I'm kind of waiting for a little pullback so we can get a good spot to get in. I don't want to be getting in here. This is overbought territory. So next one is which one is it? ARKG. Sorry about that. ARKG. This is the genomic ETF. Genetics. A lot of these companies in here are kind of a speculative play. They do gene sequencing and gene technology. In my opinion, this is the next part of the market that's going to take off, just like EVs did, just like blockchain did and is. These stocks are already starting to take off. Kind of a speculative play here, but it is an ETF, so you're kind of limiting your risk just because it's an ETF. But as you can see here, these February calls right here, February 114. Now, there's kind of a weird strike here. If you pull this down, 114 and 21 cents, 119, 21 cent strike. Some of this stuff just gets a little weird sometimes. And as you can see here, I saw some buying in this one on Thursday, so I bought in these far out of the money calls. Just started a small position. We're at market highs, and if this thing pulls back, I'm going to buy more. But as you can see here, we have these February 114, 21 strikes. Somebody came in and got 1,114 of these things for about $560 each. So not cheap. You do the math on that, I think it's about a $600,000 order. So I like this one. I like the stocks in this one. Once again, this one had a huge run from about 38 down to 24 during the pandemic, all the way up to about 112. Now it looks like we're kind of through some resistance here. That's why I think this one is a little more attractive at these levels, even though it's at highs. But yeah, I like the stocks in this one. I like this ETF, and it's not quite overbought. It is getting overbought, but a lot of things are getting overbought in this market. So sometimes you just gotta take a flyer, put a little bit of money in, see what happens. So, all right, thanks for everyone who's been subscribing. I really appreciate it. Keep the subscribing going. I'll keep the content going. If you guys got questions, as always, leave them down below. Make sure you guys shoot a like so we can get this out to many people, and create a channel here where we can all share our trades, we can all share our thoughts, and we can all learn together. So let's get it going, people. Hopefully we have a good week in the market. Just keep it safe, keep it strong, keep the confidence level up, and just keep investing. That's what I'm talking about, everyone. Let's go.